Paul bikes for 3 hours to reach his favorite beach. He bikes 2 miles per hour faster on the way back, so the trip back takes only 2 5/10 hours. How fast did he bike going to the beach? Use the distance formula distance equals rate times time. Notice that the distance to the beach equals the distance returning from the beach. Let x be the speed in miles per hour that Paul bikes to the beach. Using the distance formula for the distance to the beach equals x miles per hour times 3 hours. Using the distance formula for the distance returning from the beach equals the quantity x plus 2 miles per hour times 2 5/10 hours. Notice that the units for time cancel on each side of the equation. So the equation simplifies to 3x equals 2 5/10 times the quantity x plus 2. Next, use the distributive property. Multiply 2 5/10 times x and 2 5/10 times 2. So 3x equals 2 5/10 times x plus 2 5/10 times 2, which simplifies to 3x equals 2 5/10 x plus 5. Next, subtract 2 5/10 x from each side of the equation to isolate the variable terms on one side of the equation. Because 3x minus 2 5/10 x equals 5/10 x, and 2 5/10 x minus 2 5/10 x equals 0, 5/10 x equals 5. Next, divide each side of the equation by 5/10 to isolate the variable. Because 5/10 divided by 5/10 is 1 and 5 divided by 5/10 is 10, x equals 10. So Paul biked 10 miles per hour going to the beach.